Ever dreamt of having a lush green garden but worried about the cost? Well, what if we told you that you could have your dream garden without breaking the bank? We're here to debunk the myth that gardening is an expensive hobby. Stay tuned to learn how to grow your dream garden on a budget. Step 1 to a budget garden. Start from seeds. Seeds are significantly cheaper than matured plants. Plus, you can economically harvest seeds from matured plants for your next gardening season. So, save money and start your garden from seeds. Next up, make your own compost. Composting enriches plant health and growth, and it's as easy as using your kitchen waste. You'll save cash on fertilizers and transform your scraps into plant treasure. Remember, your kitchen waste is not trash, it's treasure for your plants. The third tip to a budget garden: recycle and reuse. Ever thought that everyday items could double as planters or gardening tools? Not only does this save your pennies, but it also contributes to conserving our environment. Who knew that old tin can could make such a cute planter? Gardening doesn't have to be an expensive hobby. With seeds as starters, DIY composting, and creative recycling, you can cultivate a flourishing garden on a budget. If you found these tips helpful, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening!